As you can see, this is the third multi-party delegation during this process, and my very eminent colleagues from different parties are standing here. I'm not taking names. This multi-party delegation spent time with the Election Commission, and we are very grateful. They gave us time at short notice on 2 or 3 major issues. The most important was the vital importance of counting postal ballots first, of declaring the result of postal ballots first. This is very clearly stated in the statutory rule, Rule 54A, which specifically says that you shall take up and deal with the postal ballots first. First is not my word, it is a statutory rule. This has been understood by the Election Commission over the years, and in particular the Election Commission elaborated this in 2019 in writing, that even if you start the EVM counting while the postal ballot counting is going on, even then you shall stop the EVM counting if it has reached the end and first declare the postal ballot counting result. This is specifically reiterated in 2019 and other letters of the EC which we read out to them. Our complaint is that this statutory rule and this 2019 guideline has been given the go-by. The Chunav Ayog has now repealed this 2019 practice. The net result is that by a method of practice, EVMs can be counted, and if the EVM counting gets over before the postal ballot, it will still be completed. In other words, the postal ballot counting and result need not be declared first. This, number one, is a very grave and a clear violation of a statutory rule. Number two, you cannot change a statutory rule by a guideline or a letter. Number three, this is the understanding in the guidelines of 2019 of the EC itself, and that can't be repealed. And above all, number four, we all know that the total difference in votes between the two main contending parties in a particular area or even the whole state, let us assume it is X. The postal ballots may be 2X or 3X, outstripping that entire margin for the whole state between two parties. In other words, the result which is north can become south by the postal ballot supposed counting, or east can become west. It is therefore vital that the spirit which underlies Rule 54A, which cannot be amended or repealed, must be followed. There is no problem in stopping the EVM counting even if it has reached the penultimate round, and first declare the postal ballot result and then go on to the EVM. So friends, this is the main complaint. The two other complaints, one of them will be addressed by my friend Mr. Yechuri. It is to direct the counting officials to follow the existing guidelines. We are not asking for new guidelines, but unfortunately what is already stated in the guidelines is not being followed by the counting officers. Thirdly, there are issues which the SP, Samajwadi Party, has raised about officers in certain areas and other issues. They gave us a patient hearing and we are awaiting a strong action. Also on 17C, my colleagues raised issues. As you remember, we had led the earlier multi-party delegation on 17C also. Now, Mr.